Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm diving deep into a tool that is all about workplace safety, inspections, and quality management, which is known as safety culture. So it is formerly known as iAuditor. So if you are someone in operations, compliance, health, and safety, or you run a business that prioritizes processes and people, then this is a review you would definitely want to watch to the end. Let's get into it. Now, so what exactly is safety culture? At its core, safety culture is a mobile first platform designed to help teams perform inspections, capture issues, manage assets, and drive continuous improvement. It is widely used across industries like construction, hospitality, logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare. Basically, anywhere that regular audits, checklists, and compliance processes are important. The software empowers frontline workers, not just managers, to proactively report issues, complete inspections on the go, and contribute to operational excellence. It is ideal for both small businesses and large enterprises that want to ditch the paperwork and go fully digital with their safety and quality procedure. So before I show you before I explain the features and the solutions and products of safety culture, I would like to take you through the user interface and user experience. As you can see, the user interface is clean, modern, and intuitive, especially on mobile. If you access it on the mobile version, you will see how clean and intuitive it is. In fact, the mobile app is really where the safety culture shines. It is built with simplicity in mind, so even if you're not tech savvy, you will find it surprisingly easy to get around. Now, creating templates, conducting inspections, and assigning corrective actions are all straightforward. Okay, there is not much of a learning curve here, which is great. Okay, but if you are building complex workflows or integrating with other tools, you might need to spend some time exploring their help docs or support. So that is it for the user interface and user experience. It does not have much learning curve. So let's quickly dive deep into the features and capabilities of safety culture. Now, when you hover on the products, you're going to see um, you know everything they cover. Now from here, you know every team needs to work safely, meet higher standards, and improve every day. You know they cover inspections, asset training, sensors, and IoT Internet of Things integrations. And when it comes to solution, you see that safety culture is designed for industry like construction, manufacturing, facilities management, hospitality, retail, transport and logistics, mining, healthcare, and pharmaceuticals. Okay, so that is what you need to know about the features. So I will be giving you a quick explanation on some of the features. Now, number one thing is that it has a customizable inspection template, which means you can build your own or use their library. Then it has a feature in which a photo and video can be captured during inspections, and it has a real-time issue reporting. It has automated corrective actions, also analytics and reporting dashboards. It has asset and equipment management. And the last one is workflows and alert for incident escalation. So one feature I love is the template builder. It is drag and drop and lets you add logic like conditional questions mandatory fields, and more. Another standout is the Heads Up tool, which lets you send announcements and updates directly to your team. So compared to alternatives like Jot, Go Canvas, or Proto Forms, safety culture feels more polished and scalable, especially for organizations uh, with growing needs. Okay, so now let's move to the performance and reliability. In terms of performance, safety culture is solid. The app is fast. Um, it's fast and responsive. I haven't encountered any crashes, even when using media-heavy templates or large inspection forms. And also, it syncs well across devices, and offline mode is available, which is a big one for field workers in remote areas that do not have much um, uh, access to the internet. However, I did notice that the web platform can get a little sluggish when loading analytics with lots of data, but it is not a deal breaker. Now let's touch on the integration and compatibility. Safety Culture integrates with a decent number of tools, including Microsoft Teams, Power BI, Zapier, Slack, and Google Sheets. There's also an API which is super useful for developers looking to automate workflows or feed data into internal systems. Platform-wise, it supports iOS, Android, web, and works smoothly on both Windows and macOS through browsers. Now, cross-platform syncing is seamless, which is exactly what you want in a tool like this. Okay, now let's touch on the pricing. When it comes to pricing, Safety Culture offers a free plan, which is surprisingly robust. You get access to core features like inspections, templates, and issue reporting. Yeah, you have access to analytics, training, tax, and issue reporting. Up to 3 years of data evidence um, history. Now, paid plan starts at around $24 per user per month, which unlocks analytics, integrations, and asset management tools. There's also enterprise plan. There's also enterprise pricing for larger teams with custom needs. So I would say the pricing is fair, especially considering how much paper-based headache this tool eliminates. And no, I didn't encounter any hidden fee. Okay, so that is it for the pricing. Then for support and community, uh, support is another strong point. You get access to live chat, email support, and a comprehensive help center filled with tutorials, guides, and webinars. From here, yeah, you can easily uh, engage customer support. If there's anything you would like to know, or if you have any questions you may want to ask, then you can always use the live support. All right. Now, um, they also have a comprehensive help center filled with tutorials, guides, and webinars. If you come to the support area, you get to have access to the help center. From here, you can see browse quick guides for the City Culture platform. Yeah. They even offer onboarding help for teams that are just getting started. There's also an active user community and template marketplace where you can download or share inspection templates for different industries. So if you come here, you can always get to experience that. So that is for support and community. Then for the then for security, safety culture takes data security seriously. It is ISO 27001 certified, uses TLS encryption, and offers granular rule-based permissions to control who can see or do what. For companies worried about compliance, especially in regulated industry, that is a big plus. Okay, so that is it on the security. Then for the advantages and the disadvantages of a safety culture, I would say that it's extremely user friendly, especially on mobile. That is one of the advantages. Then also it has great inspection and reporting tools. Number three, it has offline functionality, which is a plus, and it has solid integrations. And lastly, it is flexible and scalable. Then for the cons, analytics dashboard can be slow with larger data sets. It may be overkill for every small teams or simple operations. Custom workflow setup can get complex without guidance. Then the question is, should you use it? If you're in an industry where inspections, audits, or safety protocols are part of your daily grind, I would say yes. It saves time, increases accountability, and gives you the data you need to make better decisions. For teams working in the field, the mobile first design is a game changer. However, if you're a solo operator or your team doesn't really deal with inspections or compliance, it might be more than you need. As for me, I was genuinely impressed with how well thought out the platform is. It is not just a digital checklist tool, it's a full-on operational excellence platform. If you are considering alternatives, you could also check out Jot or Proto Forms. But honestly, safety culture feels like the most complete package for me to large size uh, teams. That is it for my review of safety culture. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth software reviews. And let me know in the comments if you have used safety culture before. I would like to know I would like to know what was your experience, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.